Oh, my sakes. Really? Oh, heaven, heaven, heaven. All right, then. All right. Oliver, I have to tell you something.
What is it now, Beatrice?
I've just got to tell you what has happened.
What, pray tell, has happened now?
Just got off the phone with Melissa Jane Osgood. You remember her and her husband from Georgia? Well, let me tell you what that man has done to her, what he said to her. I cannot believe this. Of course, you know, she's our age and everything, and she has, you know, been under the dumps a little bit, and she was thinking about, you know, going in and getting surgery on her breasts, having a breast augmentation. And she went in there and asked him, she said, what do you think about this? And of course, you know, him being just as sarcastic as he can be, he was reading a paper and some crap. And he sat there and he says, well, he says, I don't know why you just don't take some toilet tissue and rub it all around your breasts every night. And she was like, I just don't understand. I do not understand. Is that something you read in a medical journal or saw on one of the medical shows? What does that do? He says, well, no, it is an observation. And she says, an observation. And he said, yes, it's an observation because look at what it has done to your buttocks over the years.